drama story along with Iski and the drama titled Fragments of Yesterday, and the plot story in the small coastal town. Sarah returned home after years away, seeking closer over her mother's mysterious death. She reconnects with her estranged father, Michel, a once renowned novelist haunted by regrets. As Sarah delves into her mother's past, she uncovers long-buried secrets that threaten to unravel the fragile fates in their fractured family. Edmund's betrayal, forgiveness, and redemption, Sarah and Michelle confront their face mistake and must decide whether to heal together or remain forever divided. And key element conflict the central revolves around Sarah's quest for answer regarding her mother that and the unresolved tensions between her and her father. And the character development, both Sarah and Michelle undergo significant personal growth throughout the story as they confront and face trauma and relationship. Emotional depth. The story explored times of loss, regret, and reconciliation, evoking strong emotion from the character and reader and Orpheus. And the setting, the coastal town serves as a symbolic backdrop, reflecting and the character internal turmoil and providing a sense of the isolation and introspection. The dialogue is poignant and laden with subtext revealing the character inner conflict and motivation. Symbolism, object like all letter, photograph, and the town itself symbolize the fragment of the character face and their interconnected and the resolution does not necessarily mean a happy ending but rather a cathartic one where characters find closure or acceptance in their circumstances. This example showcases how drama as a genre explores complex human emotion and relationship, often delving depth into the character, pieces, and past. Certainly, here an example of the food-tree story element. The title Whisper of the Owl. Putri story element at the time revolves around pieces of the time and the enduring wisdom found in nature, especially dark and the life cycle of an ancient oak tree. The plot story in the Putri Song is a series of interconnected poems with spur of the art, narratives, the life journal of the oak tree from the tiny accord to majestic Francis in the forest. Its form reflect a different state of the oak life, the hopeful, cheerful splashing through the soil, the tender sapling saving in the wind, the resilient tree withering through, and finally the wise old imparting is quiet wisdom to those who listen. And key element and imagery and symbols. The poem are rich in the vivid imagery describing the oak tree growth, surrounding and the changing season. The oak tree symbolizes strength, resilience, and wisdom gained through experience. Narrative structure. While its forms stand alone together, then from a narrative are depicting the oak tree journey through life, capturing its struggle, strength, and eventual serenity. Emotical resonance. The form evoke emoticon ranging from hope and wondering, the three early state to a sense of introspection and completion as matures. Nature as the reflection of human experience. The oak tree life parallel human experience of growth, adversity, and wisdom, making it relatable and final. Sound and rhythm, the forms may utilize various phonetic devices as rhythm, meter, and repetition to enhance the musicality of the language and evoke a complete a contemplative mood. And resolution, the collection of forms, concludes with a sense of the achievements and faith, as the oak tree embraces the place in the natural world and continues to whisper its wise wisdom to those who pause to listen. This example illustrates how poetry can tell a uh, how poetry can tell a story not just through plot and character but through the effective use of language, imaginary, and synesthetic exploration. And here an example of a novel and story along with their key element. Novel example. Title: The Night Circus by Erin Mosgentorn. Plot: the story set in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. The night circus told and the enchanting tale of the mysterious circus that operates without warning and is only open at night. The circus the refers because the stake for the magical competition between two young illustrations, Celia and Marco, who are bound by their mentor to a high-stake contest of magical prowess, and their rivalry intensifies their lives intertwined with two of the circus electric performers and veteran leading to under a first scene and a breathtaking conclusion. And key element setting novel the novel futurist and fidelity describe setting in the enchanting and mysterious with its black and white striped tents and surreal attraction serves as the central element that captures the imagination of both character and reader alike. And the character complex and compelling character drive the narrative from the enigmatic illusionist Celia and Margot to eccentric performers and veterans of the circus age with their own motivation and secret. And plot development, the novel unfolds through intricate portrayals, alternating perspective and non-linear timelines, creating a sense of mysterious and suspense as the magical composition allocates and this continues unfold. Uh, Themes of love, service, destiny, and the nature of magic permit the story exploring the boundaries between reality and illusions and the Sarpikis met in pursuit of power and freedom. Imaginary and atmospheric prose and evocative imagery transport reader into the worlds where reality blends seamlessly with fantasy and sciencing the novel and skyting and the otherworldly atmosphere. And the short story example titled The Lottery by Shirley Jackson. And the summary in the lottery, a small sibling identity zone gather annually for a ritualistic lottery where 1% is selected to be stoned to death by community and has lottery preset. Tension builds among two townspeople, culminating in shocking and chilling revelation about the nature of tradition and collective violence. And K. Illman, the story is setting in the quiet, ordinary tone that contrasts softly with the horror of the lottery ritual, highlighting the unsettling undercurrent beneath a seemingly peaceful community. And the character, although the character are not exponentially developed individually, their collective action and reaction contribute to the story's sense of unsense and invincibility. A plot structure, the short story employs a straightforward narrative structure that builds substance steadily leading to climatic and shocking resolution that challenge societal norms and values. Time the central time expert to dangerous of Bentley following tradition, the courtly inherent in mentality and the capacity for violence within similarly civilians societies and symbolism, particularly in the form on the lottery itself and its ritualistic aspect serves to underscore the story times and provide a reflection on human nature and societal norms. This example illustrates how novel and short story can differ in scope, depth, and narrative technique while evidently conveying their times and engineering reader through compelling storytelling. Oral literature encompasses a wide range of the storytelling tradition passed down through generations via spoken word rather than written text. Here, an example of the story from oral literature along with a case element. Oral literature example, a story title The Hero Twins from Maya mythology. Plot summary. The hero twin is a traditional Mayan myth recounting the adventures and of two brothers, Hunubu and Exbalaku, born to the goddess after their father's death. Uh, the twins grow up facing challenges and the trial set by the gods of the underworld, Silbalba, through cunning bravery and the guidance of their decide father spirit and twins navigate deadly threats, defeat powerful adversaries and ultimately triumph over the lords of Sibalba, bringing light and wisdom to the world. Key element oral tradition. Passed down through generation via spoken word, the story of the hero twins reflects cultural values, beliefs, and techniques within the Maya community. Character Hunufu and Exbalakum are archetypical heroes whose bravery, intelligence, and perseverance are celebrated. Uh, their embodied traits values in Maya culture such as courage, wit, and resilience. The structure and the narrative follow a clear arc of the challenge and victories after involving tests of the skill and course that the twin must overcome to achieve their ultimate goal of the defeating Sibalba. At times of heroes, the struggle between good and evil, the triumph of the human spirit and importance of familial bonds are central to the story. It also explores times of life and death, rebirth, and the cyclical nature of the existence. Imaginary and symbolist, the myth is rich with imagery and symbolic elements drawn from nature, cosmology, and Mayan beliefs. Symbols such as the ball game, animal, and celestial body are woven into the narrative to convey different meaning and teaching. Uh, Performance, the story is often performed in the rhythmic and engaging manner, utilizing gesture, intonation, and dramatic pause to capas- uh, captivate and educate listener. Cultural context, the myth serves not only as entertainment but also as a means of preserving and transmitting cultural heritage, values, and knowledge across generations. This example illustrates how oral literature serves as a vessel for cultural preservation, education, and community bonding, embodying and the essence of the storytelling in diverse culture around in the world.